Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We
I like the color. I like the way they highlighted it. This is a good wig. Even though it doesn't part all the way back from the rooted to the tutor, girl, you still looking cute though. Like, it's pretty long. I did pluck it, as I said. I think I said that, but you know, you could really wear this up and look cute. Like I'm saying, you could just like put this up in a little ponytail, well, something like that, because you got to definitely make sure you hiding those tracks. But like for the most part, like the color is real nice too. Like they did a really nice color, nice combo with the color. As far as the ends, they came out good. The curl girl, which is me, the girl who curled this, she got to work on her curling skills, because I could always, like, look, I would curl the whole thing on a mannequin, and then once I put it on, it's like, girl, you could have just wasted your time. Look, for the most part, it looked good. I didn't really want the curls to be tight anyway. I wanted them a little bit loose, but it seemed like I could always do one side better than the other, but hey, it is what it is.